Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will discuss mm, how to start programming. So let's start. In case you haven't noticed, the role of technology has changed quite a bit in the last 20 years or so. Slowly but surely, computers have permeated nearly every part of our lives, from what we buy or to how we get from place to place, to how we work, to where we eat after we clock out for the day. For this reason and many other, coding is one of the most valuable skill you can build. Whether you want to advance your career, build software or game for your friend, or just understand the tech space better than before, learning the language of computers can be a major asset to your professional and personal development. Mm, However, it can also be intimidating. Before ever writing my first program, I saw that computer programs were an elite group of experts with a talented beyond anything I could possess. From conversation I had been aspiring programmers, this seems to be common mindset. Coding is a practice reserved for only the most prodigious tech whiz. I want to make it clear up front that this isn't true. With time, dedication, and internet access, anyone can learn to code. If you are reading this, that includes you. Depending on what you want to learn and how deep you want to go, you could spend a few months uh, through the rest of your life learning, but everyone starts with the basis. That is why in this video we will unpack everything you need to know to get started writing code, including why you should learn the code, what language to start with, how to start coding, some valuable tips for anyone starting out. Why learn to code? Before diving into the first lesson, first consider why you want to code in the first place. This will help you to determine which language you decide to learn first, what sorts of projects you want to complete, and ultimately what you want to make of your skills. Here are some well-known benefits. You will build the professional skills. Let's get started. An obvious uh, way. Knowledge of computers programming is valuable uh, employment asset, and as technology continues to weave into our daily lives, coding skills will become more desired among candidates according to job board Indeed.com. Several of the most in demand skills fall under computing. If you are looking to make a career pivot into tech or to switch to a more technical role within your field, knowing at least one relevant programming language is a must. This doesn't just apply to developers. Web designers should know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Project manager should know an inner working of the tools that help craft even if you run a simple WordPress website, familiarizing you with the front end, the language, and some PHP goes a long way. If you are not parsing a strictly technical role, coding experience is a good asset nonetheless. It shows technical know and an ability to grasp abstract concepts and solve complex problems. Final, coding knowledge enables you to take up a freelance work and perhaps pursue a full-time freelancer career. With this path, you will have too much more control of your career and the project you accept. You can create things on the one of the coolest benefit of learning how to code is an ability to bring your ideas to life. How a concept for website, app, or computer in a game. Now you can build in exactly how you want, then share it in the world. Whether you want to monetize your project, post it on an open source platform like GitHub, or just make things as a hobby, you will have the knowledge and tools to do so. I'm gratifying to know you can build programs that until now you have never fully understood. Plus, projects are essential to the learning and job seeking process, as we will soon see. You will better understand the world around you, like I said. Uh, Technology is spreading and evolving year over year. Learning even just the basis of computers programming will help you understand the components of the growing digital landscapes, including that you think probably use every day, called the internet. You will gain an entirely new perspective on the technologies in your life and an appreciation for how it all comes together. It's fun, it's cheesy, but true. For many, learning to code is an incredibly rewarding and enjoyable experience. After you have bases down and start on your own original projects, the process will feel less like learning and more like leisure. After all, if you are not enjoying it, why pursue it as a career? What language you should start? Coding requires knowledge of at least one coding language, a set of syntax, the rules that complex can understand. As there are hundreds of coding language, each one unique in its purpose and what it can do. Start with science. They have the fastest way to learn the fundamental of programming. Uh, there are some languages widely considered suitable for beginner coders. I recommend getting comfortable with just one language that aligns with your goals, that explore other if you feel inclined. These languages are HTML and CSS, JavaScript, Python, C, C, C++, Java. These languages are very friendly and you will start with this coding very fast. So it's all for today. See you in the next videos. Bye.